Today, I want not just your absence, but the journey we once shared. Far from perfect, but the moments we created were real. The laughs, the dreams, the late night talks, and all the little memories that still replay in my mind. Even though life took us separate ways, the most beautiful part of our story will always be Sky and Daddy. When I look at them, I see pieces of you. Your smile, your strength, and your gentle spirit. I promise they will grow knowing who you are and how much love you carry inside you. Our chapter may be closed here, but it will live forever through our children. Great.
Well, thank you. Hari kumiga wana ni mutumia wa hado hera na ni akwendete na sigana sona bisa ya madu wao nisitorasi menyana. We had a mom who was loving to us. Mimi kama msanii wa Kense na vile boshoni kumwona mweneni mwono, siko najua siku moja my heart would give a hit in my life. Today, Dr. to grace this occasion for the legend in our music industry, Mudogo Tobeti Bayo. Mrembo alikuwa anajulikana sana. Songs zake zote zilikuwa hit. Watoto wake amelea watoto wake. Tutivi watoto wa Yerogo. Katuwarangi ya wega muno makeki tata Malawi ya lost. Nango yaginya doa ya nimera kira mauta maya mandeti. Don't give up. Don't care. We shall celebrate in a big way. Bishop, naonyesha kwamba na appointment with you tukimaliza hii mambo na tukikinyabuka. Wanakula udra ni kwa MCA. Onayo as you support this gentleman, ningependa pia mimi ni support. I'm a gospel artist. If you allow me, I can just do one song. When they were, oh, tagamone, we carry them, repeat their own names. Neo hatoraga ayame, hate kaine, mekeo eni, hiagwa. Nyotuweka buturi korea tumia digoa ona inawa shiana shiadigwa okama hebehia na wendo wako okama toya wehe chani wako. It is well.
Member of Parliament Embakasinis anasema hivi: today as you gather in Jiru at Pastor Kanyari's church to honor the life and legacy of Betty Bayo, I wish to extend my heartfelt tribute Betty was more than an artist. She was a pillar of faith, a loving mother to Sky and Danny, and a voice that lifted nation. Her song 11th hour strengthened thousands and reminded us that God never fails, even at our darkest moment. I also recognize Pastor Kanyari for the role he continues to play, both as a father to the Sky and Danny, and through his ongoing charity that touches the life of many families in Jiru and beyond. Service to humanity is never in vain. Nataka nirudie hapo usikie vizuri, si ndio? Sijama mmesikia vizuri. Uni babo wino anasema, I recognize Pastor Kanyari for the role he continues to play both as a father to Sky and Danny, and through his ongoing charity work that touches the lives of many families in Jiru and beyond. Na anasema tena, service to the community is never in vain. I sincerely apologize for not being able to attend the memorial today due to some commitments, but my spirit and respect are with you all. To the great people of Jiru and Kasarani, receive my warm greetings and my deepest appreciation for your continued support and unity. Your strength as a community is unmatched. May Betty's legacy continue to shine through her music, her children, and the countless lives she touched. Babu Owino, Member of Parliament, Embakasi East.
Prophet, let's come together. You need the custody of your children. That other carries from the father of the children, and we cannot support another man. Kama mtu anataka watoto wake, ako na responsibility ya kuzaa wake. But asikuja anachukua watoto wa prophet na anasumbua nao. So we are going to fight for that. And we are going to fight relentlessly. Kama kuna mtu anaelewa lugha ya vita, we understand it better. Prophet, we are together in this. We are going to ensure you have your children. May God bless you. Eric Mwanda, Jiru.
Alright. Naomba kwa heshima tafadhali. Najua wanasiasa wakiona watu, it's like we go overboard. Please, I am going to give you 2 minutes each. Kwa heshima tafadhali. Yeah, and let us not go beyond. Please, tafadhali. Leo ni siku ya kutoa.
Daughter of Prophet Kanyari, who lost her mother. DA stands for Dan, the second son of Prophet Kanyari. And Vic stands for Victor Kanyari, from whom the idea of the school originated. Let us appreciate Prophet for that. Lastly, as we mourn the passing of Betty Barrio, we reflect on our own lives and ask ourselves, will we be remembered for the good things we have done? Ask yourself. And to the late Betty Barrio, you will be always be remembered. Legends don't die, they only rest. May our God, good God, grant you eternal peace. Amen.
Alright, tumpigie makofi mazuri Sokora ya Nairobi. Haya, nimemuona kwenye nyumba Apostle Jackson Mwami, tumpigie makofi